Of course, what is required when exploiting a natural resource is to be responsible, because there are certain there are certain attendant activities that require to be watched carefully with responsibility, like the environment, for starters. So this is what we've echoed since the government announced plans to exploit the oil we have underground, without due regard to the social conditions of the people where the money is being generated. Creates a class of capitalists without souls. That's what happens. You don't want a class of capitalists who don't have souls, whose only motive is money. So when ECOP supports the environment, when ECOP supports sports or agriculture, then we all share almost directly in the proceeds from your economic activities. It makes ECOP a company whose managers, are humane. People who've got souls, And we all end up supporting these economic activities because we are all beneficiaries. And I can assure you, Mr. MD, that we are here to support ECOP for as long as you people have souls.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.